We're going to do a video of taking this new engine transmission combination from the Woodie heading up to the, or down to the county road. So we'll be heading down the mountain road that leads to the county road and be able to see kind of what this poor vehicle has to go through just to get out on the road. So anyway, we're in low gear at this point. One-way road, so you do have to kind of slow down on the corners. I've decided it's finally time to replace this this windshield. Might just be tonight. So that's something I'll have to be looking up online to see how it's done. I know a piece of string is often involved. I have a new piece of rubber, a new rubber gasket that I ordered a couple of years ago, and somehow I've been just a little too busy to get it put together. So I've got 3 different sets of windshield glass too. So one of them is brand new, store-bought. Anyway, you'll see this is the last switchback before we get down to sort of ground level here. We'll start out at about 500 feet above sea level, and we'll come down, I don't know, 300 and a half or so here. Maybe we'll step out and get a little overview when we get to where Pickett's Lane meets the county road here. All right, let's hop out and just take a look around. My son's filming it for us, and then he's going to edit it, so that'll be something new. And if you go really close in to the engine. Maybe be a good time to discuss the T5 transmission. I'll take the camera underneath and give a little view of what I've done under here. A conversion to a 5-speed transmission. Sorry, it's a little jerky, but I have a new drive shaft made, and that worked out real well. Unlike my first attempt at doing it on the engine, I've made this diamond plate bridge that goes between the 2 sides of the cutout original cross member that considerably stiffened it up. This twin square tubing is my transmission mount. Got a couple of long bolts coming through a 3/4 of an inch of reinforced rubber there. And anyway, this is my conversion setup up here where I made the plate. So clutch linkage is all original Ford, and that's what's underneath. Now, I'll hand this phone back to my son, and I'll go down the road, see how this thing shifts and all that.